Presenting Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. The device has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded using external memory cards. The device features a stunning 27.69 cm, 10.9-inch display with a high refresh rate of 90 Hz and a resolution of 2304 by 1440 WQXGA, 249 ppi, delivering outstanding vividness. The device boasts an 8-megapixels rear camera and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide front camera for capturing photos and videos from both perspectives. The device offers powerful performance driven by the Exynos 1380 chip. The device is equipped with an 8000 mAh battery for long-lasting usage.